Now let me show you the online manual programming process. Normally, when PCB board is simple or user doesn't have PCB board software information, we would recommend to program manually. Firstly, you need to make sure SD card has inserted into the machine. Then press New button under the task screen to create a new programming file. Yes, it will automatically generate the required file format with all necessary parts. And the system will automatically name it as New 15. Each section of the file has been introduced in the user manual in detail. Now press left and right button to turn to prior or next page. Press up and down or finger touch to select a certain instruction line. On the auto-generate file template, there's only one component line in the last page. Select it and hit Enter button to get into the Configure component screen. It shows all the information of the selected component, totally 8 items, which is number of component, head, stack, x-axis, y-axis, angle, height, and skip. Now I will show you the first component setup. Press the Configure button here, Configure button on the middle corner of the screen, guided by the laser positioner, and press left and right, up and down to move to the middle point of the targeted component. Okay, then the system will get X and Y coordinate data. This number will be 1 as this is the first component. Use header 1 to place and pick up a component from stack 4. Angle 90. Height. Leave the height as 0 as the thickness of the PCB board and the component is among reasonable range. Skip 0 for mount. Press save. Press save. This is the component that we just added. Press F2 to add the second component. Press Enter. Press right button to go to the next page. This is the line that we just added. Enter. Press Configure. Move to the middle point of the second component. Okay. Press Enter. This is the one. And press F2 again to add the third component. Okay, and move to the middle point. Okay. Yes. F2 again. The fourth one. And configure. Move to the middle point. Okay, and okay, now we have 4 components here. Next step is we need to make sure the picking up place is accurate. Press configure button. Now the head, the nozzle moves to the stack 4. Tap rail. See whether the component has been picked up in the middle point. Now it is the middle point. If it's not, then you need to adjust the x-axis and the y-axis offset value of the stack. Press left, press left or right. See, the value will change. To adjust the picking up place and okay. Return escape. Now let me show you the result. Load and press start. Okay, here's state.